Hi families, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Doris Kitchen and more. So today I had a funny experience. I'm so like today I've laughed myself so much so hard. I went out this afternoon to buy something. I listed what I want to buy at the supermarket. So I went to the first supermarket. That one is so close to me, about 5 minutes from my house. So I went there. When I entered from the door, the alarm started making noise, making noise. So I turned back. I was the only one at the door. Like I was the only one that just passed through that door. So I was wondering, I said, where is this alarm coming from? I don't even know. So one of the worker then asked me, did you put on a new clothes? Or do you have, maybe you have something that is not good with the alarm, that does not fit with the alarm? I just look at it, I said nothing. It's only my wallet and my little handy, this one. So I went into the supermarket. I made my shopping, everything. I came back to the cashier. Yeah, they call it cashier. Yeah. So I paid and I came back with my bicycle because I went with my bicycle. So when I dropped it, I said, okay, the things I did not see at this supermarket, let me go to Kaufland and buy them to another supermarket. So I went to Kaufland. I entered. There was no noise. There was no nothing. The alarm did not make any noise. I just went inside. I bought what I want to buy. So I was looking for area. This border area, 130 grand. That is what I used to buy. So I did not see it at Kaufland. So I decided to go to Ria, because the Ria is not too far from Kaufland. So I went there. I entered. I parked my bicycle. Then I went through the door. No alarm, no nothing. So I just went inside. I only went there because of the area, but unfortunately, I had to see other things I needed. I bought them. So when I bought those things I needed, I now saw the area. So the one I want to buy, there was no 130 grand. It was only 100 grand. Then the other color area, there's 130 grand in the colored area. But the other one, the one I normally use, it was only 100 grand, because I normally buy 130 grand. So I just decided, for me to go back home, because I really needed the area, because the one I have in the Kela, where my wash machine is, my laundry machine is finished. So I just used the last one yesterday morning when I was washing my bedspread, my towel and everything, my towel and everything. So then I just said, for me to go back with empty hand, let me just buy this 100. So I bought it, I carried it. So I went to the castle where I'm supposed to pay. So the woman, I checked everything. She told me the amount. So I have a card. This card is from Ria. So when you buy something, a lot of things, or something that is up to 20 euro, from 20 euro up, or so, they reduce some little cent from it. So I gave Duma the first one, the card. Duma checked, she slotted it and gave me back to me. So she now told me the rest of the money, which I have to pay. So the next thing, that the alarm started crying again. I said, what is happening here? The alarm was just making noise, seriously. Then Duma asked me, what is it? Did you carry anything? I said, no, I did not carry anything. So I showed her my bag, because first of all, I went to Kaufland to check for the area and to buy some other things also there. I did not see the area soap, the powder soap. So I decided to buy some things there. So I told myself, these things in my bag is the things I bought from Kaufland. She said, okay, what is the crisis? She now said she want to check my bag. So I gave her the bag to check. She checked the bag. She said, okay, that she has seen it, that the thing is from Riyadh, not from their own supermarket. The things I bought is from Kaufland, not in their own supermarket. I said, okay. So she now called these people that used to control people that will come and check. So the man came. I told him, I said, wait, let me pay my money first. So I paid everything. I paid with my card. So after I collected my card, the man said she followed him. So I followed him to one room. So the man was like, what is crying? I said, I don't know. I said, it's only area and these two things I bought from here. I did not buy anything again. So the man was like, maybe it's my jacket. I have to pull off my jacket, pull off everything, remove my little one, because when I'm going out, I always go out with this little one. I leave the rest, the big handy at home. So I was like, what is happening? I don't even understand what is happening. So the man check. The man did not say anything. The man said, is your trouser new trouser? I said, yes. He said, the leggings you are putting on, is it new one? I said, yes. I said, the leggings and this cap on my head are new ones. But the top and the brazier every time I wore is not new ones. But the leggings and this cap is new one. The jacket also is not new one. So the man said, okay, maybe the thing come from the trouser. I said, from the trouser? I said, but this is not the first time I'm putting on the trouser. I've put it on like once, and this is the second time I put it. The man said, maybe there is something I'm supposed to remove from the trouser. I did not remove it. I said, okay. So when I came home now, I just packed everything. I went inside my room, my bedroom. I have to pull off the trouser. I was not checking. I said, what is this thing that is crying, following me? I don't understand. What is happening in this trouser? What is it in this trouser that is crying, following me? Two supermarkets I've went to, the three supermarkets I went to, two supermarkets, this noise was there. I said, what is happening? And I checked it. My people, lo and behold, when I checked it, oh God of Nazareth, Jesus, I was laughing myself. I was just laughing myself. I said, just imagine what is crying, following me from the three supermarkets I went to. The two supermarkets, the thing were just making noise. The alarm there were just making noise. Just imagine. Are you guys seeing it? This is what is crying. I'm supposed to cut out this thing. I'm supposed to cut it out with a scissors. As you can see there. If you look at it very well, there's a scissors there. Look at it. If you look at it very well, there's a scissors there. So I'm supposed to cut it out. I did not cut it out. I just wore the trouser, the leg is like that, and I went out. So this is the thing that was disgracing itself, and people were just looking at me in the supermarket. They were like, what is making us with this person? And maybe most of them will be thinking maybe there is something else. I never knew that it was this same leggings, this same thing in my leggings that I'm supposed to cut. I did not even cut it out. Oh God, I saw it. I've laughed today. I laughed myself. I said, God, have mercy on me. Have mercy on me. I never knew that such a thing is in the trouser and I'm supposed to cut it. Just imagine. Just imagine what was making noise today following me. This is the thing. Oh Jesus, have mercy upon me. So families, this is my experience today. I'm still laughing. Anyway, I have my scissors here and I will cut it now because I don't want this kind of disgrace next time. I don't want this kind of alarm noise in my ear when I'm going to any supermarket or any other place I have alarm something. I'm still laughing though because this is the second time I'm wearing these leggings. I've never seen such a thing. I've never noticed it. But today I have seen it. I have noticed it. I have had it. I'm cutting it right away. So guys, this is my experience today. So guys, kindly please do me well by supporting me on my YouTube channel, Doris Kitchen and more. This is the face behind Doris Kitchen and more. So guys, watch my videos, give my video a thumbs up, like my video, and subscribe by supporting me, your girl, your sister, your daughter. Please do that for me. Thank you very, very much. See you all on my next video. Doris Sunshine, Doris kitchen and more. Love you all. Bye.